Well, it is a casual kind of a day, and it's going to be one of those days when I'm not going to wash my hair. I have lots of errands to run, but yeah, I still want just a little bit of makeup. So I want to show you something today. I'll just show you a super simple, I use that a lot, don't I? Anyway, showing you a simple look with a product called Wet Dry. Wet Dry is a powder-based foundation that is for the person who says, you know what, I want something quick. So I'm gonna put it all over my face. It's a matte finish. So if you've got a lot of wrinkles, this isn't gonna be really great for you. I don't wear it very often, especially since I got my Saint products, but I do sometimes want Wet Dry. You can see how matte that is. I'm gonna put a little here on my eyelids too, okay? And then what I'm going to add is I'm going to add a little bit of Saint blush, because at least I can get a little bit of creamy color that's gonna look, you know, not too bad on this Wet Dry. Okay, I gotta rub it in. rub it in. Okay, I didn't conceal, I didn't do any color correcting. I strictly am going for the all natural look. And I've got a little mascara on already, okay? So this could be just your out the door in 2-minute look. Some Wet Dry, some lips and cheeks, and if you wanted to, certainly you could put on even, I mean, you might even want to take like your illuminator from your palette. Let's try it. You know, we're just kind of experimenting. Put some illuminator on your eyelids. Yeah, put a little bit of illuminator on here. On the lips. Okay. And I'm ready to go. So anyway, just wanted to share Wet Dry. It's $34.95. I get it from a company. I have to buy it in bulk. $34.95 plus tax. And I usually I have to buy at least $150. So if you want some Wet Dry, I can tell you what color based upon if you happened to use it from me when you were using Beauty Control. And if not, I'll make sure I get a color that works for you. But yeah, that's Wet Dry. All right, have a great day.